Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we're going to do another install on my 2023 Skidoo Backcountry XRS. I love this sled. It's going to be a lot of fun this season. It still has like no miles on it. So we're adding ice scratchers today, and specifically the rail mounted ones, because these 850s like to overheat, especially the more off-trail oriented sleds. This is supposed to be an in-between style, so we're going to keep that and the track nice and cool with a set of ice scratchers. These are the rail mounted ones. It's super simple, like a 5-minute install, if that. It takes a little longer just because if you don't have the right tools. It's simple tools. You need a 13mm socket, a 13mm wrench, and a 10mm wrench. If the 10mm is a ratcheting wrench, you're going to have a way easier time. But that's it, guys. We're going to get right into it. The springs are right and left hand dependent. The spring doesn't have the right and left hand connotation on it, but the mount for it does. On the back side it says left or right hand, so you'll know which side to put that on. My sled already has the holes drilled on the rails, so no problems there, but you'll see where I'm putting it, and I'm just going to get into it. It's going to be pretty down dirty and simple. So if you guys like my channel, and if you've been here before, please subscribe to it. It means a lot and helps me out. If not, like, comment. We're going to get right into it. Alright, so what's unfortunate, guys, is most of my tools are at the Task Force Offroad headquarters, which is my parents' house, where I have more room to work on stuff. So I'm kind of making do with minimum tools here, which is fine, but it can be a pain in the butt. So use those front 2 holes in the rails. If you don't have the holes, they should give you a hint on where to drill them out with a little X. And it's not anything crazy. It's pretty sure it's aluminum. The spring notches in right there, and then those bolts hold it in place. So the kind of pain in the butt part is getting the bolts to tighten down and hold the spring without the spring falling out. Very doable, just a pain. And obviously space is the biggest pain in the butt. If you had a stubby, that would probably be beneficial. A stubby wrench, that'd probably benefit you as well. Okay, now that's the easy part. So now we have to install the holder, which is a 10mm bolt, and it has a stop right there. As you can see, it kind of notches into place. Get the camera to focus on that. And then a washer, and then the rail, and then the nut. I'll be using this hole right here. But this one's kind of a pain because there's not a lot of room in the back. So it would be easier if you could use like a ratchet, but I kind of just went back and forth a ton. Okay, that's solid. So then just pull that out. Hook her in. And that's that. Alright, guys, so that is it. That's how you install the ice scratchers on the Gen 4 Skidoos. Super easy. Anyone should be able to do it. Don't bother paying anyone for this job. It takes just a couple of hand tools. Not a problem at all. Super easy. Please, if you like the video, subscribe to the channel. There's going to be more Skidoo content. I'm going to bring the Jeep back into it. And there's going to be plenty more stuff coming to the channel, guys. Please, I hope you enjoy it. Have a good one, and I'll see you in the next video.